Hey everyone, Jessica here, and I'm super excited to introduce you to my new collection. It's a new color palette collection, Rosé and Créativité. I thought I would put a little French twist on it. And I was actually already working on a rosé collection and starting to put together my colors and stuff when I saw the news that this company is posting a Rosé influencer challenge. So I write all about that on my blog, but I thought what a good opportunity to push out my rosé product a little faster. And that way we can all create some rosé inspired designs for this season. And who knows, we can participate in the challenge and maybe somebody will win some money and a trip to France. So I thought it would be great and everything lined up really well. Plus, it is the beginning of rosé season and summer, and in case you didn't realize, rosé themed artwork is actually really popular on Etsy and Pinterest and Instagram, and people love it. They're very passionate about rosé. So if you create some new products inspired by rosé, maybe like some art prints with quotes or something like that, it could be a great seller and get some eyes on your design. So why not? And so this is something we can kind of all do together, and I'll be doing a lot of tutorials to demonstrate what you can do with the color palettes. But like my other ones, they're for my special Photoshop brushes, my impressionist and my wet paint brushes. So I'm just going to scroll down through here. Also, we have some bonus little hand-drawn Photoshop brushes. So I drew out some of the shapes of a rosé bottle, so you can use these and kind of paint over them and make your own designs and motifs and patterns, or even just use it as like something to sketch over while you're doing your artwork. So you've got 7 different bottles and the outlines. And I actually use these to create my color palette artwork. So I'll scroll down here. And here's a sample that I created. But normally when I make my impressionist color palettes, it's just kind of an oval. But I thought, how cute would it be to you do my color palettes in the shape of rosé bottles? And so I made this little artwork with it, and then I ended up turning it into some art prints that people can download. And just kind of kill two birds with one stone, but I thought it's so pretty, and all the gradations and all the different colors of rosé, and you've got peaches and taupes and pinks and all of that. So it's quite lovely. And then you've got the wet brush palettes. So here you've got them numbered and everything. And of course, I had to sparkle them up a little bit for the presentation. But these work with my wet paint brushes. And yeah, so we're going to do a lot of rosé themed stuff coming up. And I'll be sure to add some tutorials. And then if you have any questions, just write them down below.